break this formula like this. Here is the work days. Calculate work days. Work days topic is a little bit big topic if we think that we have to find the work days and the complete year. For example, from 1/1/2014 to 31/12/2014, how many work days are there? So there are 261 work days, network days. So this network days function is used of Microsoft Excel. We write network days, then the first date and then the second date, and we close the parenthesis and we get the work days. So thanks to Microsoft Excel, which is calculating this for us automatically. So what do we see here? By default, the network days function assumes that Saturday and Sunday is weekend, but the network.Intl function give us flexibility to assign our own 2 days weekend or 1 day weekend on any days or day of the week. Practice, recheck our formula. Again, look at this 1/1/2020 to 31/12/2021. We can say that you can see that the network days are 523 because we are going to find out the days in the period of 2 years, which is starting on 1/1/2020, and this period is ending on 31 December 2020, and then again one period is starting from 1/1/2021, and that is also ending on 31/12/2021, and we got this 523 network days. How many days have we got here? Date diff. And if we use the date diff function, which we have learned earlier, we can find out that there are total 730 days in these 2 years. And if we find the difference between these two, which the result of network days and the result of this total days of the year, so we can see that there are 207 working days in these 2 years. If we calculate, then we can see that we have 52 weeks in a year, and 365 days, 365 days, in total 730. And if we use our common sense that there are 2 weekends in 1 week, so if there are 52 weeks, so common sense, we can calculate that it is making 104 of this and 104 of this. So in this case we got this 208 weekend, but here Microsoft Excel give 207. This might be the difference, that this ending date difference, that might be 1 weekend falling on in the period of 2022. So in this way you can use the work days function in Microsoft Excel. For any queries, if you have in your mind, kindly write me in comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I really need subscriber on my channel, on my this professional accounting channel. Let's see in another sheet. In this sheet, we network days with customized weekend. So as we were talking in our previous section that we can define our own custom weekends. For example, if someone say that their weekend is Monday and Tuesday, or for some the weekend is Thursday and Friday, or for some, for example, in many Muslim countries, Friday is the holiday and rest of the days are working days. So with this function, Networkdays.Intl function, we can easily calculate our own customized weekend. Look at this, how it's working. If I delete this and I take comma, I will get this list. Here are the ready-made customized weekend made by Excel, like Saturday and Sunday is default. Sunday, Monday can be, Monday and Tuesday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Thursday and Friday, Friday and Saturday. And here is Sunday only, Monday only, all the weeks, like every day only. And we are going to this 1/16, which is a Friday only weekend. So this is giving us this 314 working days in this 1/1/2020 31/12/2020, and there are 365 days in 1 year. And if we subtract this 365 minus 314, we get 51 weekends. And we know that there are 52 weeks in 1 year, but maybe the one Friday is falling on the other side of the year. So this is how the sum checkup and recheck is working with this. And here in the same date 1/1/2020 to 31/12/2020, we got this network days C7, D7, and the network days is by default taking 2 weekends, which is a Saturday and Sunday. If we recheck this, 365 equal to this minus this, we got 103 days of a weekend, which is by default, if we say this, there are 52 weeks in 1 year, then 52 and 2 we should get 102, but here we got 103 and here we got 151, a 1 day difference. But as we know, Microsoft Excel is calculating exact figures, so this is how you can calculate your own customized weekend. Let's move to the another sheet. Schedule of network days with a list of government declared holidays. Now with this function, look at this, that we have to select the last day of the year. For example, in this case, we are taking the 2012, 31 December 2012, which is the start day, and we want to find out the work days in 2013. In this function, look at the formula here. If I increase the font of this and drag this column, and here you can clearly see that the workday.intl function is used. B5 is the last day of the previous year. This one is telling Microsoft Excel that increment 1 day. For example, after 31/12/2012, examine the 1st Jan of 2013 whether it is a work days or not. The same way, the second one will increase the month in year by 1, and this range is your own organization holidays. For example, if we think that Saturday, Sunday is by default holiday, but apart from that holiday, we have some national and you can say traditional and organizational holidays, We can even add that in this way. This absolute reference is referring this list, with the help of which we can design our network days, on the basis of which we can take some decision in the coming future. So look at this. If, for example, I want to find this 2019, and you can say that automatically all the rest of the dates are incremented by 1 with the help of this formula of Microsoft Excel, the Workday.Intl function. That here is the Workday 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5 is not the Workdays. Then 6 is the Workday 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12 are not the Workdays, which is for sure the Saturday and Sunday. Like in this case, we can see that the first day is Thursday, which is Workday, Friday, which is a Workday, then 4 and 5, the Saturday and Sunday is missing, then Monday we can see here. And if we like to change our this sheet as well, because we are working in 2020, so let's see, make some changes. Now if we see this 21/1/2020, see if it is available. Look at this, it is missing. If I look at this 1/1/2020 is missing. Before this was 2013. If I change this to 2013, see here 1 January is the Workday, were not found in the Workday. The 1 January is missing. If I do this 13, so we can see that 1 January is now working day. The list is automatically updating. And here is the 21 Jan 2020 is a holiday. And here we can see that 21/1/2020 is missing. If I change this to any other date, then we would be able to see here that 21 Jan is appearing as a Workday. Look at this. Here the function is working like this. So guys, I hope you understand this, how you can design your Networkdays.Intl to use this function and make your customize weekend with the combination of your customized own organizational holidays. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, as I need subscriber on my this professional account.